Amazon Prime.
Hey guys, I have a very special thing for you. Henry Hoover pajamas. I'm not going to be selling these because they just came. But, oh my god, look at this. They just came just now, so I'm going to unbox Henry Hoover pajamas just now. Unwrap, could say. Yeah, they only just came. Oh, they feel a bit weird. I want to see what tag they have. Oh, I thought they have a Henry tag. But they don't have a Henry tag. Actually, underneath maybe. Nope. Oh my god, guys, look at these. I need to... Sorry for the mess in my room. Well, not my room, but the living room, really. What are the shorts like? Oh, look at that, Henry! Henry! It's Henry! Yeah, I'm still in my pajamas. I'm in emoji pajamas. They don't really feel like pajamas. They feel like clothes. They look good. This is my first ever Hen Hoover clothes. Oh god, they look a bit big. Look at that, nice Henry. Yeah, I just did a video on my Dyson DC-19. Yeah, I'm very sorry for the mess. I've been eating Lego cake. I'm sorry for all the mess, like all the toys everywhere, like, not over here, such a mess, but I don't want to show you my mess. Dreadful, isn't it? Carpet's absolutely bad. Yeah, that's a lovely Henry. I will do a... Yeah, I am watching Ibasiak on one of his Christmas videos, because it's like an extravaganza. I might be moving rooms after Christmas, like on Boxing Day or something. I might be moving rooms. If I do, it will look better. What do you think? I don't want to be begged though, so please do not keep going, oh my god, please move rooms. Like, oh my god, it's going to be like so good. You have like, well, it'll be my mum and dad's room if it was. Yeah. Sorry for the dreadful mess. So bad, isn't it? Yeah. Do you know that names? Might wear these in one of my videos, such as a Christmas video, because I am doing a Christmas video. I am going to do a Henry Hoover Halloween pumpkin. That kind of looks like a James Bond scene, like on that thing. On that picture he is all about. By there. On like a James Bond scene. I just think it looks like that. I think it might have been supposed to be. Oh, sorry guys, I accidentally closed the camera a bit. Sorry guys, mistake. Oh my god, so bad. Oh my god, glitch. Oh my god, sorry guys, it's glitching. Oh no guys, I have to stop the video. Sorry guys, it's going to... Look at that guys. Look at that zoom in.